Hi and welcome back to my channel. Joy here, and today I want to share, this is a folio and it was created by, the kit was with Junk with Steph, created this for my group, my private Facebook group. So let me show you the details of this. First of all, we're given a challenge every day to do something differently. This was an altered paper clip was one of our days. So I added 2 little tags, and these are backed with her kit that she had given us. And on there we have that. I made a little fabric tab at the top and tied it with a lace, just pretty lace. Added a little button here, some eyelet trim. That kind of holds the top closed. Now from there on, we have some tags, different kinds of tags, a label, a little flower. Here I added some trim. It has a button closure. I put glossy accents on the front of this, as you can see. There's a butterfly charm there. We have vintage heart here. And this will undo. Oops, there we go. And inside, when we crawl in there, we have this little document folder, which again has another closure as such. And it opens up into like an invoice. It has different invoices here that you can write and journal on the back of. That folds back up and ties back. Oops, there we go. And this beautiful paper, it's like wallpaper look in there. Now down here I used her postcard and I added a little bit of embellishment in the corner there. I love this paper. In the corner here, one of the days we were supposed to make a tag out of her kit. I added some Tim Holtz dolls there, paper dolls. And I make these little pre-made clusters and stuck that on there. This is a report for the school year. That's why I thought with the 3 girls that was perfect. There's an invoice in here that comes with the kit she gave us. I added a little lace here. And I just have those peeking out at the corner there a little bit. Now once you move inside, on this side, I have a little journaling spot with a little 4 pages. Now over here in this corner, this comes out, and I just wrote on there, have these little closures, these little adhesive closures you can get in my shop at JJ with Joy on Etsy. So visit me there if you need some supplies or journals, either one. And here I have a cute little, this was part of the kit, and I just added a little pull string and then just a little label. Sorry. And that tucks in the very front here. Have that sticking out there. I used some waterproof tape on that to kind of highlight yellow, kind of a aged look. Now I've also done glossy accents here. One of the days we were supposed to make an altered paper clip, and I chose to take her tag and make an altered paper clip like so. And it just flips over a page. And then on the front here I have a tag that she has included, and she included this. And then this is just a little paper pad that is cute. I did add a little flower charm down here, just a cute little flower charm that you can see there. Now inside here, this is a belly band, and it actually has a belly band, and then it has another little pocket here. I didn't add anything in there. I just left it because I didn't want it to hide this. But again, I used the glossy accents here as well as on this one here. And I just think this is just beautiful. I like how it fades from the blue onto the cream to the other. It just makes it pretty happy. Now inside here, Again, I have that self-adhesive closure, and then another little invoice. And I just use my bone folder in order to make lines here. And then there's just another little tag that we can write on there. Anyway, if you guys like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get reminders to come in and visit me. I appreciate you coming to visit today, and I hope you come back and see me soon. You can find me on Etsy. You can find me also on, I have a page. I'm on YouTube. I have a page on Facebook. I have a group on Facebook. Let's see, did I say I was on TikTok? And soon I plan on being on the app Whatnot to sell as well. So thanks for joining me. Come back and see me. Everything's under JJ with Joy. So remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy.